Namaste friends, welcome to Trading Emotion channel. 17th January 2023. This is Guruji this side. Uh, what is the thought process? What we have to try to get an information from market profile for my intraday trade setup. This high, this low is very important for Wednesday, today, Thursday and Friday. What is this level? 18,100. And what is this level? 17,880. These two level in Nifty future 30 minutes time frame continuation chart contract. Okay. So if market opening flat, any acceptance at this level? What is that level? Not that level actually. This is this one here. Yeah, 17,980. 17,980. Any acceptance? 17,980. Any acceptance? I will directly go for a long towards this single print. This single print is first is 18,050, then this single print clearance 18,100. So market how to open flat and moving up, any acceptance at 17,980 only I will go for a long. If any rejection, flat opening, any rejection coming down, then I will go for a short. Sure, I will go for a short. My first target is this L period low, and directly this AB poor low. 17,830 is my direct target today. So flat opening is my scenario for rejection acceptance at 17,980. Any opening above 980, any gap up, any opening above 17,980. If market start moving up directly, I will go for a CE. 18,100 is my direct target. This is on gap up scenario. Any opening above 17,980. That means, why this level are important is already we discussed 2-3 days. Last 2 days we are discussing this level. In this 17,980, see, this is close, this is open, this is close, this is open, this is close. See, this territory coming here at this level, this zone, and there are good accumulation or distribution. Something happened on this particular territory. So this territory this day become a resistant but broken. Yesterday this territory support and that broken. So how this territory acting today, we have to work out and we have to watch on these levels. Okay, these are the levels on Nifty. What about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty, very interestingly, I will look only above 42,450 to 475. 450 to 42,450 to 475. Above this level, any acceptance at this level, I will go for a long directly for this day high. 42,800 level. Okay, almost 400 points we can go up move long. So if market opening flat, Bank Nifty, if market opening flat coming down or flat coming down, and directly I will look for this particular non-migration POC, and this non-migration POC is 41,120. Then I will go for 42,000 range. This B period, this support 42,000. This is last point of demand. If market sustaining below this territory, by this Friday we can see 40,000 mark by this Friday. If market closing below this level today, So this low is very very important. This 42,000 also very very important for Bank Nifty for the entire week. So any up move we can see good up move. Any acceptance above this day high. If market sustaining above to yesterday's high, we can see 44,000 by this Friday. 44,000 by this Friday. So you have to keep this figure in your back of the mind. Why this figure is, you can go and cross check the monthly contract where these people are standing. Option writers, which are the levels they rated their CE or PE. Go and cross check. This is homework for you all. Like our channel, click the like button, click the bell button, subscribe our channel, share our channel. Please post your comment in comment box. Thank you very much.